Thomas Piketty, what is the state of inequality today in a historical view?
So in my new book, Capital and Ideology, I try to write a very long-term and comparative history of inequality regime, and the main conclusion is that in the long run, there's been a very large reduction of inequality, and the big lesson from history is that the source of economic prosperity is education and equality rather than always more inequality and a sacralization of property.
In what way should this wealth tax work?
So I propose to use the progressive tax on inheritance, inherited wealth, and also a new progressive annual tax on wealth in order to finance a system of inheritance for all where everybody would have access to private property so that everybody can create a firm, can own their own housing, and can participate more actively to the economy. So in the example I describe in the book, people who, the children of with poor families or middle-class families who today receive close to zero in inheritance would receive 120,000 euros at age 25, and people who today receive 1 million will receive 620,000. So there will still be quite a lot of inequality. And if you want my opinion, I think we could go further in this direction. But at least this will give a chance to the bottom 50% or bottom 60% of children who today receive close to zero to start life with 120,000 euros.
Entrepreneurs would have to pay so much tax that they would lose control over their company very early. Do you think this is a good idea?
Well, first, most entrepreneurs are not billionaires. You should realize that most entrepreneurs, they are very happy if they are able to accumulate a few million or a few dozen million euros. This is already very successful. And the economy in Germany or in France or in the US works through all these middle entrepreneurs. And so the idea is that we need to have extreme concentration of wealth at the level of billionaire with people who have dozens of billions, or today, 100 billion euro for the highest wealth in the world, I think is very excessive. We need some concentration of wealth, but not some extreme concentration of wealth. Coming to your question, I think one way to pay for the wealth tax that I am proposing for someone who will be very rich will be to transmit some of the shares in its companies to the engineers and to the workers of the company. The general idea is that we live in very educated societies where there are lots of people in companies, lots of people who can contribute to the decision-making process in companies, and you don't need to be part of the founder's family, or you don't need to marry someone from the founder's families to have good ideas and to bring innovation in the German economy or in the world economy for that matter.